Nowadays, progressive web apps are getting more and more popular due to a couple of reasons. One, it saves storage, also avoiding data or cache accumulations. Two, faster loading speed. Three, users get the same experience as how native apps perform. Four, also the ability of cross-platform usage in any form factor. Most of all, progressive web apps has become a necessity as native app users sometimes even complain about applications running data collections in the background, even after quitting the apps. This in turn breaches users' privacy. That's where web app application comes in. Web app application allows users to install their favorite websites as website-based application or progressive web apps, same as the native apps in their phone. Not only is it easy to set up, but also this application is completely free. To set up your first PWA app, copy the link of your favorite website, go inside web app, tap create app button, paste it and tap OK. Here you can also create individual groups for your favorite apps. If you tap on the settings icon, you can turn on the ad blocker if you think they have annoying ads. There is also dark mode you can toggle on too. And open external links in a browser option is also present. If you long press the app in the app's home screen, you can see a bunch of options. Here, you can clone the specific app how many times you want. You can either add this group to your home screen or access your apps right from the web app application. This app performs fast, but at times I experience a weird bug where I cannot sign in with my email account. Otherwise guys, this is a very good application which will come in handy in your day-to-day life. I hope this application goes into your favorite repertoire. Until then, have a productive day.